up, everybody? HK2 Production. We back at it again. I also got Clyde with me again.
What's up now?
Now we about to get out here. Now what body of water is this right here?
This right here is it's got to be loose. It's got to be loose, bro.
Oh man. And we out here in the boat. So this is kind of like a first time for me doing something like this. So I am excited. You know, we got some crab, we got some shrimp, we got some worm. Of course, you know, we got some Texas rig, we got some Brim, we got everything. And we got the fish finder. It is the Lawrence Elite 4. So I Googled and looked and see how to work it and operate it. And we're gonna try to see if we can find out them body of water fish so we can catch some nice big bass or whatever we can get our hands on. As always, you know, we got more live action coming to you.
Coming to you. Get it off of simulation mode. Okay.
Systems. It's all the way down. There we go. See.
So how do you get it off? Off. Okay. Push it this way.
There we go.
And then you gotta push it. Okay. You put it back up there. I guess one of those you gotta hit OK.
No. Then you hit X. Now.
Because I never know how to use it.
Yes,
man.
sir.
So it'll stay like that now because it's off of simulation mode.
And look, that's all the fish. So right now we at 12 feet deep.
God almighty, man.
And look at all them school of fish. Look at all that.
So mighty knows.
So it's just fish all in here right now. Yes, sir. We're gonna get it all now.
We're gonna go around that corner there.
Okay.
We're gonna go in the shallows so we can fish for Brim, Perch, because I know it's bass and stuff that hangs out, you know, all this stuff like that too. So that's it. Let's just go over there. Let me see if I can get the anchor.
The anchor. Ooh, that ain't a gar. I don't know what that is.
You're out here in the mouth of it, man. Ain't no telling what's out here. I got crab, everything, boss. I told my son what I was doing today. No, Dad, I wanted to go. I go to school and get that education.
There you go.
Oh man, I missed it. Pulling that anchor around. That anchor just got a phone. So it should grab. But the bottom is standing. So what it does, it pulls it right on around, man. I pulled it up and jump right at it. Look right at it. Like,
Yes, sir. About to get this one.
the wind blowing one way, then it's blowing another way.
Oh, got him. Ah.
Oh,
Lift up,
man.
lift up, lift up, lift up.
I missed him. What you got, Bobby? What you got?
Oh, he taking it too. He don't want to.
The Brim's punching in here is big, man.
Look at that Brim.
I told you they were big.
Good God, oh my. Oh.
That thing's big, man.
Gun out, gun out, gun out, gun out, gun out. Can't get over there.
Your mom love those, man. Bobby caught the first fish, man. Oh.
Look at them Brim.
Uh-oh, cut bait.
Yes, sir.
Look at this.
Look at them colors on that.
Shell cracker.
Stop.
Bobby, that's the shell cracker. That's them, man. Them things get 3 times that size.
Really?
Yeah, man.
And you got your good old perch?
This cut bait. I don't even want to use.
No.
No, sir.
So we're gonna keep this one in?
Yeah. Oh yeah, he going.
Look at that beauty.
He going with us. Yeah, man. Oh, he going with us. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's on now.
He going with us. I told you. I tried to bring everything we could, but come on, baby.
I'm out here using artificial bait. I'm like, ain't nothing biting them.
I know, man.
I said, now it's time to change up my game plan.
Yep.
So if they sitting over there, guess what, y'all? We're gonna cast back over there. Right back over there. And I thought I got stuck on a tree or something.
Good, didn't it?
Uh-huh. So right now we're using red worms to catch these brim. My goal is to catch a rockfish because I've never caught a rockfish.
Great fight, man. Good fight.
Mm-hmm. See, I got one of those circle hooks.
Yeah, I see that.
So then, usually it'll hook themselves.
I can't believe you ain't got no life preserver on, man.
Well, see, if I got enough room where I know that I ain't gonna fall, I'm good. It's just when I'm like in a john boat and it's so small,
Yeah.
I get nervous.
Yeah. Man, this thing got a lot of room, man.
They're trying to nibble at it. It's got to be something small.
Well, I caught one little fish, but one is still early.
Yep. You got one? Oh, yeah. Oh, you keep on getting those.
Big fish. Okay. We'll fish with them. We'll fish with them. Oh, man.
Took your bait, didn't it?
Try. Still a little hanging up there, dog.
See if I can cast back over there.
Those are carp, man.
Just gonna go over a little bit. So then this time he get cut, I'm gonna set him.
I said I'm registered with the Greenville Police Department. You know, I ain't got no bad record. I ain't got no criminal record, nothing like that.
You catch him?
Yeah.
That's a nice look. Oh, that's a pretty one.
Yep.
That is, dang, that thing hitting the ground hard. That is, look at them colors.
Look at that little shell.
Put it close up. Bring it up some more. That's pretty.
I like that little red
Yeah.
shrimp right there.
Good fish, sir. Good fish.
Oh, yeah. Like he got it.
Like a little too small. Mom probably like, boy, that ain't nothing.
She probably would.
Mm-hmm. Got him.
It is. Good shot, Bob. Man, them big ones over there in that corner, man.
Yes, sir.
You might use yourself a cut, baby.
Mm. That's still a nice size one. That's eatable.
Yeah, he got it. Came out. It pulled it out. You don't cut him a little bit, but he might get in there. Get him?
Yes, sir. Think that'd be eatable?
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't get him in there. Yes, he in a good spot right there.
You got to smell of that other fish on it. You see something hit it. Yeah. Right in something mouth, man. You see that?
Mm.
Snatch it right on down. Oh, people went to the Asia place over there, you know, right there by where the DMV at?
Yeah.
By Food Line. Went there, man, and you know how much food they oh man, Bobby, that was big. That was big.
I saw how it took your.
That was big. He took that. He took it.
Yeah, that won't little. I don't know what that was, but it won't little.
Yeah, he took the hook. He broke the hook. So he got the hook in his mouth. Look at that. Yeah, he took that. He pulled back. I think he pulled a little bit stronger than mine, but he took the daggum hook, man. Look at that.
That's crazy.
He said, I'm gonna show you. That's just safe, bud. There's something I think I need to switch up. Uh-oh, everybody.
Oh,
Get him.
got him. Oh, he pulling too. He is pulling. Oh, that's a catfish.
I knew it was old lazy bite.
He is pulling.
I ain't got no net by it. I grabbed everything except for the net. God. A little pulling on the side, don't let him get hooked down there.
Yeah.
Transom down there. Yeah.
He is pulling. I had to get him over here.
No, that's a red drum, man.
That's a red drum.
That's a red drum. That might have been what I had, Bobby. That's a red drum, man. A red drum. This boy, this Brackish though, man.
Look at this.
That's a red drum, man. I'm gonna get him around here so I can get to him, man, so I can get him up for you. Yeah, that's a red drum, man.
The line is really tight, loose.
And you know something? He's keeping. That's a red drum. Do you want to record him?
Yeah, I'm already recording. I'll record when I'm fishing. All right, so I'm holding the recorder because Clyde's gonna hold the fish. This is my first red drum. I've never caught a red drum before.
And usually these right here, they cut up broken crab and cut bait, but it's kind of unusual for them to eat night crawlers. So they are hungry and they are very active.
That is beautiful. That's a keeper?
Yes. So that might be what's out there doing all that breaking and jumping
them big
around,
ones.
man.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's keep him. My first red drum, and I am excited.
The initial red drum has the spot the two spots close to the back of the tail fin. That's how you know that he's a saltwater fish. But they come in fresh water from time to time and feed on the other little small fish and stuff out here. But that's the smallest one. I've seen them get up to 90 pounds.
God almighty.
For a red drum, sometimes 200, 110 pounds. Dang. That's okay. There's some more out here.
Oh shoot, I didn't even know you was beside. No.
Wait a minute, Bob. Oh man, there was a fish up there, Bob. You gave me a bite, man. God, look at that. I thought you were hungry to me. I'm like, wait a minute, something up there.
I'm like, cause I'm not moving.
Yeah, I'm like, man, something up there. God, I didn't even set the hook. I just started whining, man. Oh, and probably another one. And he pulled back too.
How am I hung on to you?
Let me see. Yep.
Okay.
Kitty cat.
Kitty cat.
Yep.
Kitty cat.
This boy.
All right, so Clyde just hooked into a little kitty cat.
Kitty cat. Yeah.
All right, so we had to throw back in that red drum because it was not of legal size. The legal size has to be over 18 inches. Mine was probably around about 12, maybe 13. It was really close. So luckily, because we had him on ice, he was alive. So when we put him back in the water, he swam off. But for that one, I guarantee it's going to be another bigger one. And Clyde caught that little catfish. Man, of course, he's going to throw that one back in.
See, there you go. Look.
That little teeny catfish.
Yeah.
It's not even catfish, it's a kittenfish.
See, he's starting trouble. See there? He's starting trouble already.
Oh, hold up, hold up. Ah.
Some good. You get him? Yep.
Man, you better go on somewhere. Look at that.
Goodbye. Lord have mercy.
I'm catching them little fishes that you had.
Teasing me,
and then I caught a little teeny one.
And then he caught something smaller than what I He ain't even heard the hook, did he?
No. We said 45 minutes and we just been catching them, so we was like, if it ain't broke, ain't no need to fix it. Cause I was like this when I was talking about your fish, I felt my line go like this and I turned, I'm like, oh, I got one on.
Call my fish little, will you? See there?
So we kind of out in the brackish water, huh?
Yeah, this is brackish. Because if you actually go to the bridge up there.
Yeah, when we was catching flounder, I'm like, hold on, I thought flounder was salt water. That's why I'm like, what in the world? Uh-oh, look like something.
Yeah.
You got him?
Yep. So actually, you might not be able to catch no rockfish on that side, but on this side,
he giving you a little fight, ain't he? What you got there?
Oh man,
that's a nice one.
Oh, these things get big here.
Good
man.
God, oh my!
They get big. Now that right there is actually, this is a robin because his chest is red. He has an orangey red chest. This right here is called your robin fish, and they get big. They get bigger than both of your hands.
Ah, I think I took too long. I was too busy trying to record.
Look at that, man.
That is pretty. Yes, sir. Dang.
That's okay. He's still out there waiting on you. And these guys are hungry, man.
Yes, they are. And we ain't even put no shrimp or nothing on there. Good God almighty, that was big. I saw the back end of that tail.
Was it big, bud?
I think that's a red drum back there.
This one's fitting to do.
Oh, you going with the big boy?
Yeah.
Yep, right over there.
Brim caught, so you can see it real good. It's visible to the good eye, even to the bad eye. Let's see. They jump this. Since they want to keep jumping.
They can jump right on that.
It's a fresh cut, bloody spot, and rocks love that kind of meat, man. Yes, they do. You can't help but to see that cool. We hook one of them bad boys, Bobby. Somebody gonna have a fight on his hands. What the red drum do not play. They don't come in too easy. They fight. Oh, Bobby, something biting. Something biting, Bobby.
Oh, talking about me? I'm looking at your line.
Me too. Look at that. Watch this. He sucked it down twice. Watch this. Look, Bobby. Look out there. Did you get him?
I got another red drum.
It sure is. Bobby, look out there. Look at that. He sucked it down all the way down a while ago, man. But he just bounced and let it go. No, that's a white perch. Oh, he's a keeper. Come on, yeah, be careful, man.
That's kind of sweet. I'm glad.
So this is a perch?
That's a white perch. Look at that, Bob. Oh man, he let it back up.
Oh, yes.
I did get him.
Look at this white perch. My first white perch. Well, I'm catching the first of everything today.
I'm telling you, man.
That is pretty. Pretty. And it's a keeper. It's gonna be some good eating right there. Going in the bucket.
Put it right back out there.
Tired.
Man, Bobby, he sucked it down, man. Maybe I ain't give long enough.
Yeah, you need to let him run with it.
Yeah. Oh.
You think took it down?
It's okay. It's still out there.
So almost had a double header.
Yeah. I hollered at Bobby because I had a bite. I didn't know he'd come with those. When he pulled his coat again, he got something. Wow.
Oh, look. Go.
He got it.
He got it. He's running with it. He's running with it. He got it. Oh boy. What you got? What you got? Let me reel this in.
Red drum. Red drum. Red drum, Bob.
Yes, sir. My dude.
He ain't got the size over there, though.
I know.
I don't know, Bobby.
No, that's not 18.
Oh,
Cause I mean, if you put it beside, I wear a size 11 and a half, and look at my shoe.
Nope.
It's not to it. But
Not a red drum.
they biting them things fast. They biting them things fast.
I told you there's a red drum out there biting. So they're out there. I don't know what they're doing out there.
Watch your head. So what's gonna happen then? Cast out again. I want to try to reel them in myself.
You should have got it.
I mean, I want you to catch. You put it on first. So I want you to get the first one.
Okay. Bobby, them red drum out there playing. Now we know what it is out there.
Mm-hmm.
We know exactly what it is. The red drum, man.
I mean, as soon as you set it down, it went down.
Wow.
I'm gonna keep my eye on it.
Man, hopefully one of them big bull red drums will get on it. That's a big piece of meat I have up there too, so it's gonna be quick to get it off.
Uh-oh. I'm trying to take mine. Oh, something. Oh, something is taking this one.
They're biting everything out here, man. What's this kind of strange?
Oh, I'm tied in with you.
Okay, hold right there. Yep, you got it. Now that's another big Brim, Perch, a big white Perch, I think it is. Yep, it sure is.
That's a keeper too?
Yes. Oh man, yeah, you can keep those all day long.
Whew.
Oh yeah. Yes, you can.
The most encouraging music for your positive day. 98.3 The Bridge.
You need to get back to doing something, man, because you beat me out of the table today. You got it?
Yeah, he just keep on trying to be careful.
Yeah, because the sides, man, they're razor sharp, man. They will cut you quick.
Got another perch.
Wow. Good job, man.
Yes, sir.
Everything we pretty much catching now is just about keeping something.
Yeah.
Bobby, get the camera. Get the GoPro, Bobby.
Clyde is hooked up. What you got there? He taking it too. He ain't playing. He mad.
Another red drum. I think he's big enough.
What about my foot?
We'll find out. Close.
Very close.
Oh, that's a big one there, buddy.
That's nice. And then how did it feel when you took it?
Oh man, he want to start stripping stuff. Let's see if we can get him out. Got it.
All right, so Clyde got onto a nice red drum. That is a nice one. Look like the same one I caught. No, I'm just playing.
I knew
you know I'm gonna say that. But nah, man, that is nice. How did it feel?
I mean, you know something, the thing is he's big enough. He's tipping the skills at red at being 18. But the ones that's breaking out here, they are bulls.
We're gonna catch one.
Like smaller ones.
We're gonna catch one of them bulls soon.
But they all pull good, man. They're definitely fighters.
That is a beauty.
Yes, I think I'm gonna go ahead and let them go, dog. I'm not gonna take a chance.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good job, good job.
Oh man. Bam.
All right, y'all. Woo-wee. It was a great day out there. I mean, we caught a lot of different species. I hooked onto my first red drum. I hooked onto my first perch. Nice bluegill. I mean, we did that little brackish water. So, I mean, we had a ball. And Clyde, he got into some red drums too. I mean, there's some real big ones. So our next adventure is to come out here and get one of the real big ones. So I'm coming back with some braided line. you know, 100-pound test line, something good, and some big reels. So what do you think, Clyde? You know, talk to us.
Oh man, now this water right here is brackish. Sometimes when you don't get much rain, you get a lot of salt water in here. And with the salt water, they bring a lot of red drum. Not only a lot of red drum, but they bring the huge bull red drum in here. Because what they do, they come in here like the bass and the rockfish. And what they'll do, they come in here, the little feeder fish. And that brings them right in here, man. I'm gonna tell you something, they keep the water tore up like it was today. We heard some of the biggest splashes and seen some of the biggest tails go down in the water, and they wasn't guard. And I tell you, man, they get real aggressive now, really aggressive. What else you got to say about it?
Man, I'm just happy to be out here, and I can't wait to do it again. But like I said, I'm coming with a different game plan now. I have to adjust how I fish. I mean, because when I hooked onto that red drum with my spinning reel, he was pulling me, and he wasn't that big. I said, so I'm gonna have to get some stronger line and get one of my good spinning reels going. So hey, I'm happy to do this again. Looking forward to it. HK2 Production, Clyde Demery, and we out.
Y'all have